Hey everyone, this is Just a Tech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will talk about the SIM not valid issue on iPhones or iPad. Why this SIM not valid issue come on the iPhone screen whenever you try to activate your device and insert the SIM card. It will come on this screen and how you can solve it. I will talk about each and everything in this video. And whenever you insert the SIM card and check the SIM card status in the setting in the carrier section, it is saying the SIM is locked. That means the SIM carrier is completely locked on some particular network, and whenever you try to insert the SIM, it will directly show you the SIM not valid. Now this issue is occur when your iPhone or iMEI is carrier locked with some particular network with a country. So if you try to insert the other network SIM card or in the other country, it will show you the SIM not valid. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this issue very easily, and also there is a surprise giveaway in this video, so watch the video till the end to know more about the giveaway. So let me just go to my computer screen and start this process. Alright, for this process we will use the iToolLab SIM Unlocker tool, that is the carrier unlock tool for your Checkra1n jailbreak supported device like iPhone 5s and iPhone X are supported. So links in the description, you can download the tool from there. Now first you need to connect your device and you need to start jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n. So it will download the Checkra1n jailbreak files for your Windows automatically within the tool. So after the download you need to just reboot the PC and then jailbreak your device very easily. I've already made the several videos on the Checkra1n jailbreak, so you can watch that if you don't know how to jailbreak your device. Now after it's done, you need to reboot your PC and boot the Checkra1n from your USB stick. Then it will run the latest Checkra1n 0.12.4. Now you need to connect your device and simply start jailbreak. Now for the latest iOS version, you need to allow the first option and click on the skip A11 BPR check for the A11 devices only. After that, click on proceed. Now once the jailbreak done, just go to your Windows machine again and run the iToolLab SIM Unlocker and connect your device and click on unlock. Now once the process is done, you need to simply set up your device. Now the device is completely set up now. Now you can use any SIM card or any network or in any country without any hesitation, as the carrier unlock is completely successful with the tool. Now let me just make a call and show you that the calling is working perfectly.
Hello.
So that's how you can use the iToolLab SIM Unlocker and unlock any carrier on your device. So if you guys are interested in this tool, you can check out the description link for the complete information and buying option of the tool. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I'm giving the free license key of this tool. All you need to do is you need to confirm your entries displaying on the screen, and that's all, you are eligible in the giveaway. Until then, goodbye, take care and peace out.